Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft did want to say that they are retiring or postponing, the recall feature, but only to fix some of the issues that some of them have come out from the standard users. So, for example, the security part of it, a lot of people thought, well, maybe it's not secure enough, needs a little better help. So they are working on better security. And also, they didn't find that it would be as good as they were showing in demonstrations. There were some problems with using recall in certain situations, but they are actually upgrading it. They have something called ScreenRay. ScreenRay will be that new technology that will actually look at what's on your screen, and when it takes snapshots, it will actually be able to tag the different things that you were watching. If you were in a browser, if you were in the start menu, if you were using an app, you were in, maybe a Zoom session and so on. And of course, this is all customizable with you. And the way it works, it will actually create these snapshots. So every time you have a snapshots, you will have also a name attributed to the snapshot. So it will tell you, okay, snapshot here, settings, snapshot here, task manager, snapshot, administrator command prompt, and so on. Every single thing that you will do will have its own name that will be dependent on where you were and what you were doing. So this is kind of cool, and once again, shows the power of recall as a tool to help you better organize and search. I see a lot of comments that people says nobody wants this. On the contrary, I can see a lot of people wanting this. It just needs to be done right, and it just needs to do it correctly and be secure, and that's it. But I'm one of those that will and would use recall if I had a PC that had the power to do it, as this is useful to find your way around some of the things you did in the past, and it's entirely customizable. So you can tell it which apps you want it to take snapshots of. You can tell it which apps you don't want. And so I don't know. I see an interesting future for this feature because of the power that it brings to the user, and going back and searching for specific items and documents. That's for sure. And we'll see. I don't know how long it's going to take for Microsoft to bring it back, but it's definitely not dead. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.